there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on, we're moving on. I know times are Still and silent, calm before the storm. Gold and diamond,
Okay, hello guys. Have a good day. Have a good day. Very good morning. Okay, today Thursday, 7th of September. Have a good day. Have a very good morning. Very good Thursday. Okay, first check. First my voice. You guys can hear my voice clearly or not? Can chat in the comment. You guys can hear my voice clear or not? Before we start, let me check first. Right, voice is clear, right? Voice is clear. So let's start the mapping analysis. We want to see where the market goal want to go. And then we can check also some of the currency, maybe for GJ or for GA, for EA. So let's start, guys. Let's start today, Thursday. Another 2 days for this week, 7th of September. Let's see the market go, where go want to go. Okay, like last week I predict gold in bearish movement. I give you guys a reason also why the gold want to go to point B, from the point A to point B in bearish movement or short positioning. Alright, so before that, I want to ask you guys, did you guys entry the sell position for yesterday? I want to give the reason, also the reason for sell yesterday. Sell positioning. Are you guys entry sell yesterday? Okay, let's recap the market for yesterday for this gold XAU USD. Okay, before that, if you guys cannot see clearly this chart, MT4, my MT4 chart or YouTube, you guys can adjust your setting on YouTube to 1080p 60 HD. Go to the setting YouTube, then you guys can set there. There is no issue if you want to buy or sell. Buy on the retracement, sell if you guys follow the trend from the higher time frame, right? Then to be safe, we have to follow the trend of the market. Okay, there is no issue, there is no wrong if you buy or sell. Buy for a retracement, buy if the price make a pullback, can take the opportunity. If you want to buy for scalping, maybe we can get 30 to 50 pips, because retracement movement or pullback or correction movement for gold, sometimes it can go about 50 pips, more than 50 pips. That's why I give also the signal buy if the trend in bearish. Okay, if price in bullish positioning, price in bullish trending, we also can sell, right? There is no wrong. Okay, so let's recap the market yesterday. As I mentioned yesterday, if you guys follow my YouTube live yesterday in the morning, right, I did mark this as the resistance. You guys can see, right? I think you guys can see. Okay, so I did mark this as a resistance as Monday market. This area represent as a support area before breakout happen. Okay, this is after breakout, and then price make a pullback, then we entry sell here, pullback at the time frame H1. This is 1 hour candle pullback, and then we entry sell after the price once the H1 candle open, then we can entry sell. So we got here about, we close I think about more than 100 pips. Yeah, from here to here, 80 pips. So if you guys hold until here, almost 100 pips. Okay, So as I mentioned last week, if the price breakout here, the strong movement for buyer, the price need to find is the next area here, because from the daily time frame, this is the first area that make a breakout for this resistance. This is a resistance for the daily time frame. Okay, this all is the resistance, and then breakout. Okay, and then the price breakout, and then running here, very sideways, and then price make a correction movement if from the daily time frame. Okay, if from the daily time frame, let's open to the time frame H4. Let's go to the time frame H4. Right, this is breakout. This is the sorry, not this one, this one is already breakout. So at this area, breakout, then price react at this because of this movement breakout. But the next point from A to B, the movement for this price action for this goal will go to here again, because this is the first area price breakout at this resistance. This is a strong resistance. Okay, this is the area for strong resistance, and then there is a sideways, and then sideways, and then there is a strong buyer from here breakout. So this is the first area buyer, the huge buyer from here that the price want to collect again if the price make a correction movement from here to here. Okay, so this is from the higher time frame. If we go to lower time frame, let's start with time frame H1. We need to see the reaction at each of the zone resistance at the time frame H1. This is the zone. This is the first. We need to pass this one first. Breakout. This is the zone. Before this is area of support. Support area breakout. Now become resistance. Price pull back. Entry sell. And then here also minor support. Minor support because of one rejection, 2 rejection, and then the price come back again to this area, reject. And then during the US session yesterday, price come back again to this area, and then due to some fundamental news, I think yesterday PPI news during US session, and then price react because of this seller area, because of this reaction. And then she goes to the next support. Where is the next support? Obviously is here. Why here? Why here? Because of, you must look on your first left. The first left is here, not here, not here. This is the first left. Even this is hammer candle, strong rejection. So this we can mark as the strong buyer area. Strong buyer area meaning that support area. Support area. Okay, make a square area like this, like I'm doing from here to here. So we got already the support for the current movement. Like yesterday during the US session, price still react at this area. See, if reaction we can get about first reaction 50 pips, and then today during the ASEAN session again, because of this rejection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rejection, 8 reaction, ASEAN session open again 40 pips. So you guys clear so far my explanation? Are you guys clear or not? So the zone that I mark here is the key level, or we can assume it as a valid zone. Because of why? Because of my tips. Remember my tips: first left. Okay. So this is the first left. Because of this rejection, then the price react again. For the first time, price react. First time, only first time, and then you can get about 30 to 50 pips. Right? That is normal. At least 30 pips you guys can close, but here you guys can get about 40 pips. And then one more time during during ASEAN session this morning, you guys also can get 40 to 50 pips. Right? So the next movement, since we see that this price react, so we need to monitor this area again. And then yesterday during the US session, the reaction of this area, we need to monitor. We just monitor first, because it could be happen also the price react or reject, react or breakout, react to reject or breakout. That's two only. We want to monitor react to reject or react to breakout. Okay? Right. So the area that we need to monitor is here. Wait. Watching zone. Support area and this area also, but this one is already touched so many times touched. So this resistance minor, I call it as a minor resistance. This resistance also can easily break out, but this I consider still strong, because once the price break out, only one touch, only one pullback. It could be also reaction 30 pips to 50 pips. It could be like this. The reaction at this area, break out this, and then another reaction at this resistance area, because there is a seller around here. This is a seller, still strong seller. Another indicator you guys also can use, wait, let's try the line chart. This is only for our guidance, okay? Only for our guidance. Okay, use your line chart. You see, take the highest point of the movement based on this line chart. Okay, so you guys can see and monitor this trend line. Okay, based on this trend line, it's only for our guidance. If price breakout here, if price breakout strong movement, we monitor also next resistance for this current movement. Okay, oh, I see at the time frame H1 there is triple top, 1 2 3. So we got here triple top, but I don't like chart pattern. I don't trust chart pattern. Honestly, for me, I don't trust the chart pattern. Okay, but we can use as our guidance or our indicator only, but we cannot trust 100%. Alright, I go back to candlestick. So the trend line is only for our guidance. The trend line is only for us to monitor where is the current movement. For clear movement, for now we see that at the time frame H1, the current market price still in downtrend. Okay, downtrend. So the next support is here, the nearest support here. If breakout here, we wait for pullback like this. I give you guys example, okay? This is a earlier support that I marked. Based on this, let's say this not happen yet, okay? Let's say I give you guys example so you guys can see clearly. Right. Okay, I want to show, before this 1, 2, 3 candle happen, before this candle happen, I want to show you guys how did I mark this area of support. Okay, again I repeat, okay? Alright, before this movement happen, I want to find the next support area for this movement, where the price wanna react, where the price want to reject, or any reaction, where is the area or the key level. So I look on the first left, this is strong buyer, okay? Because of why? Rejection, then going up. And then another left, I see there is sideways here. After a few hours sideways, the price react to going up. Alright, so there is a strong movement here, 1, 2 strong movement. So I mark this area, I take the last week rejection here to get the support area, because I want to see the reaction of this movement. And then if we scalping based on the support that we mark here, we can get 3 hours movement about 30 pips. But that day on Monday, I think Monday, there is a US bank holiday, and then US bank close, so there is no good movement, there is no buyer or seller. And then after that on Tuesday, the price breakout here. This is during Europe session price breakout. 3 big candle, 1 hour candle breakout. So breakout my support that I mark. So after breakout, I just wait for pullback, then price pull back here, so we can entry sell here. So that's it. How I get the movement for the reaction at this support and resistance area. So still the same like today. Example like today, okay? Okay, hold on. So if today we want to see if there is any good reaction at this area, price breakout, then we can take the opportunity after pullback to sell. We also need to monitor another zone, next zone of support, if there is a strong movement, drastically movement, price to collect another buyer from here, if the price want to change this trend to uptrend. Okay, need to monitor also. So let's say this is the current support that I mark. Also need to monitor next support. This is minor next support. I call it as a minor only, but there is a buyer also based on the history movement. There is a buyer. For me, the strong support is here, but don't mess with your chart. Don't draw too many support area. We only see the current movement only. Right? The strong support area for me is here. This is strong support area. Okay, need to monitor, but here only minor. It could be like this. The price want to collect. There is a strong long wick rejection over here around. Okay, I think better we mark in horizontal line. You see, there is a buyer based on the history movement around 1912, 19110. We need to monitor. Okay, so far so good. You guys clear or not? How we define a strong support and resistance is considered weak or not. If you follow my webinar, my education before, I did mention how do we find or identify the strong support and resistance area. The tip is very easy. You guys use the higher time frame from H4 daily, weekly. That is strong support or resistance area. Okay. So there is a reaction here because of this minus support, minor resistance. Sorry, this is resistance also. This is support also. This is support. This is resistance, minor resistance reaction. If scalping, 10 pips, 20 pips, you can get 20 pips only. Okay, I take a question. Aslam sir, I want to know why we didn't enter the first time when price rejects support around 1918. You can take the, if you know you can take entry, you guys can take entry, but I'm not entry any position yet as for me. But if you guys understand how the price works based on my education, you guys also can take the opportunity. Like for me, I like to take the entry after the or during the Europe session open. That's why I teach you how to take the entry position. Okay, clear. Right, another question. Sir, what if the first left support and resistance is a new one? I mean never happened at the level before. Is it still need to wash? Yes. Yes. A new one also, there is a seller and buyer also. The new one. Example. Oh, no example because this movement all based on the past history movement. Always looks on your first left. Looks on your first left. Your first left is your history movement. Your first left is your indicator. Right? Your first left is your buyer and your seller. Remember that. Okay guys, are you guys clear so far? Are you guys clear so far? Very easy, very simple. Don't think too much. Only understand how the price action move, how the price action works. No need to know. You guys also can know the chart pattern, the double bottom. That is only the indicator that you guys have to know. But the main thing is you guys have to know, feel the beat of market. You guys have to know. You guys have to follow the market movement. Follow them. Okay, you guys clear or not so far? Oh, Aslam. Actually, I didn't give the signal. So this morning, I didn't give the signal. That's why. But if you guys understand how the price move based on what I educate you guys, so you guys can try to take the opportunity. You guys also can try in the demo if not confident yet. Okay, any other question guys? Anything you guys want to ask? Any other question you guys want to ask? Right, can see right from I did open at the daily time frame. This is a strong buyer. Long week rejection, there is a buyer around here. So if we go to H4 time frame, yeah, need to monitor this. This need to monitor. This is a strong buyer. So we got already because of this breakout. This resistance breakout, strong, drastically movement, price pullback with long week rejection. Okay, it could be also, if I see this is the first level that the price, the gold price need to break out first. If the gold want to go to the next point B from the H4 time frame, or as there is a good reaction, good buyer around here, and then dollar also gonna weak. So the price continue bullish movement. Okay, let's take a look from weekly. Or as from the weekly, in these few weeks, it could be also sideways around here. Sideways, 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 indecision. That is from the weekly time frame. So we can buy in 1924, 1914 for sure. Use confirmation engulfing or cost. Let's see first the price action during the Europe session. We want to see breakout at the lower time frame. The hint from the M5, M15 time frame. So we can see any reaction at the support area if we want to buy. If we want to sell, so we have to wait the pullback. Right. Any question about the gold? Normally I only did my analysis only about 3 minutes, but that's how I explain with you guys to understand the market movement, where the area that we need to watch, where the area that we need to monitor. As for me, first monitor this and this. This is the area of the minor resistance. This is, I call it as a strong resistance. Any reaction between these three area, there is will be a good reaction, can give us 30 to 50 pips for scalping. And then the trend line, down trend line at the time frame H1 is our indicator or our guidance. If the price breakout, I don't call this a breakout trend line, but I call this a trend breakout only. So also need to monitor, right? Okay, this is a GJ. Alright, GJ at the time frame H4, I see there is a sideways around here. Sideways. Okay, from the daily time frame, let's see. the price still in strong bullish movement for long positioning. Okay, from the daily. Weekly, yeah, but this is the next point B. From A to B, this is the next resistance. The next resistance for long term movement for this GJ, right? The price is not arrived yet. It could be here at 196274. This is a for long movement for GJ. I see. From what I see, GJ could reach until here. Until here. Okay. This is from what I see. Let's see monthly. Yeah, clearly. It's clearly can go to this area. This is a strong resistance, strong buyer area that the strong seller area that make a strong movement for downtrend, bearish. Okay. So from what I can see here, from what I see for this GJ can go to this 196274. Are you guys straight with this currency GJ? You guys straight with GJ? No one? No one like GJ. You guys still with me or not? We got about 38, 40 participants. Yeah, no position for GJ. But I see, in my opinion, long term movement for this GJ. The next point is the one that I mark in horizontal line. This one, 196274. Okay, this is monthly. Weekly, still uptrend. Daily, big correction could be from here to here. H4, sideways. H1. Okay, we only trade gold. Yeah. So let's say I open at the lower time frame M15. M15, okay. Like yesterday, they give sell from here. After the long week rejection, because of this long week rejection, this resistance, support, breakout, become resistant. Then due to fundamental yesterday, USD getting stronger, we got sell about 100 pips. Okay, so far you guys clear, okay? For now, the current market price for gold still in sideways. If we see at the M5 time frame, the price still in sideways. M30 still in bearish. There is no movement for higher high, not breakout any. Lower high, still keep running downtrend. Okay, back to H1. So just monitor this area that we mark together. Right? This is also strong buyer that need to alert. Just alert. It could be like this. It could be like this. The price from here to here, collect this area, and then break out this trend line, downtrend line at time frame H1, then she goes. Okay, anytime the trend for downtrend can change to uptrend, same goes to uptrend to downtrend, like this. Last week the price running in uptrend at the time frame H1, then strong seller around here, strong seller. Okay, this is a considered as a strong seller, make a change to a new trend, go to downtrend, but this is based on the time frame H1. Okay, you guys can screenshot or save this mapping first, and then we just monitor all this area, resistance, support, trend line. Then we just need to wait the confirmation. I will update in the channel for any opportunity within few hours or during the Europe session. Just be ready. Okay, so that's all for now. Before that, I want to ask you guys interested with the live trade or not during US session? I want to know first. You guys interested to? You guys want me to do a live trade with you guys, and only during the US session. Come on, 37 of you. You guys, I want to know. You guys interested with the live trade or not? Okay, of course, you guys. Okay, I will try to do a live trade post maybe today. Okay, maybe today. Today during US session, we will do a live trade. Okay, with a goal. We'll go set up. Right. Okay, guys, that's all for now. If you like my live session with you guys, our my mapping for today, and then analysis for all analysis I give you guys. I hope you guys clear and understand. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. You guys can share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I think most of you already subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, and then give me your opinion. How about my live session? I make it more simple on the live session. Just be ready. I will I'm now preparing for the next education. I want to do a personal coaching, maybe with a group of 5 or group of 10 only, and then we can do a personal coaching. Okay, session about 2 hours daily, or 2 hours 3 times a week. Okay, a lot of education I will show you guys. And then we can do some back tests, and then for the current market movement also we can do all the things about the education. You guys can just ready in my channel. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe YouTube channel Pablo. Alright, just be ready for the next signal. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you guys. Thank you.